Welcome back in the CyberPanel installation tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see how you can install the free SSL provided by CyberPanel. So in our previous video, we saw how you can install WordPress, and as you can note, the website is not accessible. Rather, the website is not secure. So what we wish to have is to have a padlock like this, whereby our website is secure, so that whenever our website visitors visit our website, they are not met with with such a message that the website is not secure. So let us dive in and see how we can achieve that. So basically, we are logged in into the admin dashboard. So click on websites. Then list website. So in this section, we have this option that is just next to the domain name. If you had a list of domain names, then you ensure to click on the issue SSL option alongside your domain name. So click on issue SSL. Just give it some time, and in a few minutes we get a message that SSL successfully issued. So let us just try and see if we are able to access the HTTPS version of the domain name. And there we go. We have successfully installed SSL. But now we are worried about the new users who visit our website without including HTTPS. So if we just visit our website without the HTTPS, you know that we are not redirected to the HTTPS part of the domain name. So let us see how to force a HTTPS redirect. So let us navigate here, then navigate to the file manager. Click on file manager. Then click on public HTML. Then there is this file. Right click on it. Then we have edit option. Then what we are going to add some code that will force the domain to redirect to HTTPS. So let us add it on top. So those are the 3 lines of code that will assist us in forcing our domain to HTTPS. So click on changes, or rather save changes. Let us try. We have this one. Let's try. We are not yet there. Let us check. What we need to do, let us close that. Select all, refresh. Then let us try again. We are still not able to. As part of the troubleshooting process, you can try clearing the browser cache, or try accessing the domain on an incognito tab. Usually, you may need to just give it a minute or two before you are able to, the domain is able to force to HTTPS. So I have tried on an incognito tab without the S, that is a HTTP version of the domain. And if I click on enter, I realize that it redirects me to HTTPS. So you just needed to give it some time, or just reload your clear your browser's cache, and that marks the end of the SSL installation tutorial. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.